how to contact CarGurus Support. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, you would learn how you can contact CarGurus Support. And here is how to go about it, alright? First step, log in into your CarGurus account and then go to the bottom right corner where you can see three horizontal lines. Then once you click on the three horizontal lines, you'll be brought to your home page where you'll see a list of options such as recently viewed, recommended cars, saved cars, searches, my inbox, etc. So scroll down until you can see about gurus app feedback legal. Click on about car gurus, and then on the about car gurus page you can see a number of options. Move to the lowest part of the screen and click on contact us. And so, after clicking on Contact Us, you'll be taken to the contacts page. On this page, you can see the right up, the first option here, which is Are you a dealer? If you're a dealer, you have a chance of asking a direct question of requesting a dealer account. But if you're not, just below the question, you can see general questions and concerns. So, note, car gurus does not sell cars. We find existing listings and rate them to help you find the best deal, etc. etc. And so you can just go to, and then as you can see if you still have problems pertaining to car gurus itself, you can contact the support team um by making use by calling this number here. You can see the number being displayed there. So you can just copy the number and call the number. Or you can click the ask a question above this box here. You can click on it so that you can start a web chat with the team and support will be given to you. So if you do not want to make a call, you can just click on ask a question and then you'll be taken to the chat page where you can start a web chat with the customer support, and any question you have whatsoever will be addressed. Okay, so this is how to contact the customer support. So you can see, thank you for chatting with car gurus. How can we help you today? Then just select the category you fall under and you are good to go. I hope this tutorial has helped you. So ensure you leave a like or a thumbs up. Thank you.